Is it worth it? That's what we're here today in Frederick, close to Boonesboro, to try to find out today. Buyer's already inside. This thing just hit the market today. They're asking $520,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, 2,400 square feet, and looks really nice on the outside. So let's get this camera flipped around, go take a tour. See, is it worth it? Detached 2-car garage, brick home, nice front porch. HVAC certainly looks newer, really clean. I like that the landscaping's all cut back. This thing's pretty quiet too. See if we can pick an age up here. 14, I think. We'll check on the inside, but I think that's 2014. Beautiful landscaping. Looks like they got a generator as well. Great backyard. So we got a propane tank, backup generator, and that might be the cap to the septic. Roof looks in great shape. Can't get a better angle over here. Wow, they really take care of this thing. Back of the house. Yeah, that roof looks in great shape. Nice walkway, retaining wall. And over here, they even got a little swing set. Again, with that 2-car garage. Everything looks nice. We'll take a peek in there in a minute. Let's go find the buyer and check out the inside. Great front porch. Look at that view. It's pretty. Hardwood floors. Big living room. Wood fireplace. Dining room. Kitchen. It's really nice. Great cabinetry. Walks out to the sunroom. The sunroom has even got its own fireplace. I like this a lot. Let's check out the rest of the house. Got 1 bedroom here. Good size. Tons of natural light. I have not turned the light switch on yet. Great bathroom. Bedroom 2. That is a no joke sewing machine. What are we thinking?
Yeah, there's lots of great room in here.
It's a nice little Cape Cod bathroom. Good condition, clean. The only thing I'm noticing is the carpet's dirty, but it's white carpet, so. Bedroom 3. And we got good storage in here. Built in. Floored and everything. It's one of the things I love about Cape Cods.
Yeah,
Oh, storage for days.
yeah.
Oh, that's really cool. Hotter than Hades in there, but.
I think there might be hardwood under that too.
Likely there is. And bedroom 4. Another great space. All in all, this is a great space. Definitely not a creepy basement. Another wood stove. This is cool. This is all underneath that front porch. This is great space in here. They got really smart back in there. Under the front porch. Let's see what we got in here. There's a light switch out. Now I can see a little workshop. There is the panel for the generator and the regular panel. Definitely updated from when it was built. A lot of PVC, not copper, which is good to see. Over here is our HVAC. I'm getting 14 on this as well. Laundry. Great space. See if this thing keeps going. What do we got back here? Is that just a walkout? Is that a room back there too? More utilities. There we go. All right, so we got sump pump, power for the well, pressure tank from '05, and water heater 24. I'd definitely say it's a pretty big garage. That's a nice boat. Good garage space. Let's check out that loft. Looks like there's space for one. You see a switch down there at all?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. This is a great space up here. Oh, and it's got a little trap door and everything to close the space off. So now that we've been through this whole place, what do you think? Is it worth it?